I don't know what. I know in this life that they say every disappointment is a blessing, especially when you're a single mom. Like when what things that they go through is something else. At this point, I saw Korra Obidi's video threading of her. She decided finally. We all know when Korra was acting, how can she be able to drop her from her mother's land? You know, the singing dancing princess, the title, to go into becoming a citizen of America. So finally, I don't know how
Department
Korra
of
had to
Homeland
gather the
Security.
courage to decide to drop the title of becoming it, or for her title of the singing dancing princess from motherland. Now wants to be finally a citizen of America. And you guys, we woke up with this kind of sad news for Korra, saying that she was denied. She was
Oh my
denied,
God.
that they denied her of the application. Now, denying her the application hurts, is bad, okay? But then I know she can try again. It will work out by the special grace of God. But there is a title on that particular video that got me. Somebody was saying, this is why you should make peace with your ex. You should make peace with your ex so that you and your ex will not be an enemy. Like, then that brought me to the question, how does her being denied of the citizenship relating to the ex? How does that relate to the ex? It's not ex problem. And besides, if they should be keeping such caption, and we all know that nobody else was making problem other than the other person, the other gender. Let people just stop it, stop twisting people's stories the other way around. Who was the first person that came on social media to talk about the ex now? The wife who is now ex now, the other gender. Who was the first person that started creating problem here and there, all over, dragging and not dragging, bringing the private things on social media? The same person that is now ex now. So how does it relate to she now that she was denied is because she's not in good terms with the ex? Who told you that? How did you know? Is the ex working in that office? Even though, forget that Korra decided to make this thing go public out there because she's a public figure, I will not blame her. Even though so many people are blaming her, why would she bring such thing on media, make the other person to be laughing at her now, to be laughing, to be sitting one side and be laughing, which is obviously yes. But one thing is certain, Korra will get the citizenship. For the fact she is denied now does not mean that that is the end of her word. For the fact she is denied now does not mean, I know Korra, she's a smart somebody, and I know her big sister Nancy Ume, they are very, very smart. They know what they are doing. So whatever it is, they will definitely get to sort it out. If one door closes, the other one will always open. That is one thing you have to understand. And in some times in life, God bless us to go through some certain things just for us to be able to discover his will for us, just for us to know the directions to take. Maybe the will of God for us is naturally not our way. We keep asking God for one thing, why he is also directing us for the other side. So maybe the will of God is not yet the time for Korra to receive that. And I know she will reapply by the special grace of God, she will get it. But people blaming her for being an enemy to her ex is something that is a no-no. People should stop turning people. So guys, don't get me wrong. The truth of this whole matter is that Korra Obidi's application was never denied, as so many blogs said. Even myself, I almost fought for it. Rather, it was abandoned. There is a difference between being abandoned and being denied, okay? So with time, Korra can apply and she will definitely get back to it. So you can watch the rest of the video as Korra said what happened.
Form for naturalization, and USCIS has considered my application abandoned.